Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Kukuri Japan. Okay, Naruto, today's video is next level.
Next level?
Next level.
What do you mean?
Okay, so in the last video, I showed you Claude on the web. You type Claude response. Very simple. But today, I show you Claude Code. Claude Code is Claude on your computer. It can read your files, it can search the web, it can connect to your Gmail, it can even control your browser. It's like giving Claude hands and eyes. Hands and eyes. So let me show you what it can do. Okay, let's get started. So let's take a look at the screen. This is Claude Code. It runs on your computer, not in your browser, on your actual machine. You can type commands just like chatting, but Claude Code can also read files on your computer, create new files, search the internet, and connect to other apps. Think of it this way, Claude AI is like talking to a smart person on the phone. Claude Code is like having that person sitting next to you using your computer. That's a big difference. So here is a real example from my work. I type search my Gmail for emails about the project meeting this week. Look, Claude Code searched my Gmail and found the relevant emails. Now I'll ask, summarize the key action items. Claude read the emails and created a clear list of action items. So send the proposal by Friday, update the budget spreadsheet, schedule a follow-up meeting. Before Claude Code, I had to open Gmail, read every email, and make notes myself. Now, Claude does it in seconds. This is where it gets amazing. I type research as latest Google Workspace updates for March 2026, then create a Word document with a summary. Now watch. Claude Code searches the web, finds the official Google blog posts, reads the articles, analyzes the information, and creates a Word document on my desktop. So let me open this file. Look, a full summary document with headings, bullet points, and key features, all based on real up-to-date information. One command, research plus writing plus file creation, all done automatically. This is what I did to create the AI video scripts for this channel. Claude Code researched the latest updates and created 5 complete scripts. Woo! But my favorite use case is not about documents, it's about thinking. I use Claude Code as my thinking partner. For example, I might say, I'm thinking about launching a new service. Here's the situation. Claude doesn't just say good idea or bad idea. Claude asks the right questions. Who is the target customer? What's the timeline? What's the biggest risk? Then Claude organizes my thoughts into a clear structure with a concrete next action. As a CEO, this is invaluable. You can't always talk to your team about every decision, but with Claude, you always have a thinking partner. I set up my Claude with my management style, my company values, my decision-making framework, so Claude thinks the way I think. Great! Okay, so how was it? Claude Code is not just a chatbot. It's an AI that works on your computer. Gmail search, web research, file creation, and even a thinking partner for business decisions. This is how I run my business in 2026. You can do the same. Start with Claude AI to learn the basics, then move to Claude Code when you are ready. Naruto, what do you think?
Yes, actually, I'm feeling from the previous videos as well that I must learn how to use Claude AI.
Yes, you must learn. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So see you next time. Bye bye.